Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. Chris, thanks a lot for everything. I'm 3 or 4 months in the group. I've turned $4,000 into 65 grand. 65 G's out of 4,000. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump in this video, I want to ask you guys, smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, jump in right into the market today in crypto, Bitcoin pullback. Before we jump into this analysis, I want to remind you I'm giving away $500 in Bitcoin in 3 days. All you have to do to win is subscribe to the channel. Hit that subscribe button for me. Like the video. Leave a comment below. I'm going to pick a random comment over a 7-day period and give away $500 in free Bitcoin. Bitcoin, a 1-hour chart. So you have Bitcoin formed this rising broadening wedge. Came up here, kind of double topped, if you will, or essentially put in a lower high. At this point, you have to be a little bit concerned. Falling wedge, however, the bigger pattern always wins, right? And so at this point, you got this confirmed break to the downside. See this volume spike? That tells you, hey, the market recognizes break to the downside, right? This is a bearish breakout, right, to the downside. So I put the targets in here. Target 1, here we are. Target 1, we're already there. Came back up, retested the 200 simple moving average. Now we're looking for target 2, potentially target 3. Bitcoin pullback in store. Now, RSI is close to oversold. Okay, and it looks like the stochastic RSI oversold as well. I mean, you could get at some point a bullish cross and you know, looking for a bounce here. This is not going to go straight down to 45,000. However, all eyes on Bitcoin right now. Make sure to follow me on Twitter, cryptobitc_Chris. So I posted this idea as soon as I saw Bitcoin kind of losing this earlier, quite a few hours ago. You know, I began to become concerned about Bitcoin's price action as far as the downside move. So Bitcoin 1-hour chart just kind of zoomed out, cleared up. I took all the support resistance line, and we could be setting up for a inverse head and shoulders type reversal pattern. I do expect a lot of volatility before we run to 70,000, right? A lot of volatility. So the main thing is have strong hands. Do not sell fear ever. Don't sell fear. It's a bull market. Don't sell fear. This price action is going to bounce, right? I mean, it'd be great to come down here and get $40,000, $39,000 Bitcoin. However, if you know, you got to scale your buys in. Like you definitely don't want to miss this explosive move we have coming to the upside. So one idea, bullish idea, would be this is the left shoulder, head, and could we get another right shoulders? But it would all start with Bitcoin printing a higher low. So keep an eye on that idea for Bitcoin. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person renewed his subscription and sent $50 as a tip. That's awesome. He made $30,000 in 3 weeks in February. February was, you know, obviously Bitcoin had a big pullback. So, I mean, it's great to see that people in the trading group are continuing to make substantial amounts of profits. Then he said this: the freedom I feel in my heart was long missed, and now I acquired it again. Never in my life did I think I would get this message from somebody. It's amazing to be able to share these updates with you guys and have a very successful YouTube channel and trading group. So again, I'm very grateful for this opportunity. This person started the group, started off with 8,000, and got up to 97,000 on Binance. Huge. This person, I get all these people message me and they're like, Chris, should I sell now? No, don't sell, buy more, buy dips. It's like planting seeds. You're not going to get a tree the next day, right? It's going to take time for this to play out. He said, without your advice to hold, I would have lost 30%, about $2,000. My portfolio fully recovered. Yes, exactly. Be patient. Do not sell fear. Bottom line is this. These are all brand new traders. They've never traded before at all. I've got 48 videos in a playlist that will teach you everything you need to know about trading this market. I personally post the setups in the trading group. I will keep you updated daily. I'll keep you in the coins, the most profitable coins for the entirety of the bull run. Life-changing money. I'm going to help people 3, 5, 10x their money. Life-changing money. Go to my website, cryptorev.net. All the information to sign up. Right now, if you sign up, you pay in crypto for 6 months or 12 months, you get 50% off. This is OGN. Cup and handle. 25% profits. So I had a drive yesterday. Drove through the evening over to my girlfriend's house. Got to my girlfriend's house, posted like 3 or 4 setups, and everything like just took off while I was sleeping. 25% profits in 12 hours. Buy the breakout. Boom. Huge. Sand. We're going to talk about this one more at the end. I got a good sand setup. 26% max profits in sand USDT in 13 hours. This is ICX. Boom. 29% max profits in this guy. Huge. This is some news that I think is very important. COTI. You can buy COTI with Apple Pay. Listen, I've got a COTI setup again I'm going to give to you. I've given you, I can't even tell you how many COTI setups. Hopefully you've taken advantage of being in COTI because all the news they have at the end of the month, tons of it. So now you can buy COTI with Apple Pay. That's huge. Binance added liquid swaps for BNB. BNB, amazing. Tons of upside. Theta NFTs are just getting started. Much more to come soon. I gave you a Theta setup yesterday's video. Check that out. Again, huge upside for Theta. Still, it's got an amazing setup. Very good technical pattern, so keep an eye on Theta. Real quick, I just want to make sure you guys, I get a lot of people, they'll hit me up and they'll say, hey, what exchange should I use? Kucoin is amazing. Listen, there's a link in the description, supports the channel. Sign up for Kucoin. There's no VPN needed, no VPN required. They have a ton of coins. I mean, they even have a DeFi section. You can just go under DeFi, click it, Uniswap, Luna, Link, Aave, SNX, Comp, Maker. They have a lot of small, really tiny, small, very small cap coins, right? So you see some amazing upside on KuCoin. So make sure, if you don't feel like messing with a VPN, they have a ton of coins. Links in the description. You guys remember Reef? Anybody? Anyone? I got some good setups for you guys coming. Really good setups today. So make sure, stay tuned for that at the end of the video. Reef. You guys remember this from March the 3rd? That would be yesterday. 13,971 people saw this. And I said here, like, look for the pullback and the retest. Look at all this volume. Look for the pullback and the retest. And then boom, Reef, boom, pullback, retest. 21% max gains from yesterday in a day. This is COTI. And I explained to you guys, hey, it broke out of this falling wedge. It formed a bull flag, right? And again, this was from yesterday. COTI, BTC. Look at this. Boom. 20% gains. 20% gains out of COTI in a day. There's so much news on this. Now, we're watching for a retest, and it did retest and got a pretty good bounce, but you want this level to hold, and then we're looking for upside continuation. There's a page full of COTI news that's happening at the end of the month. COTI, very strong crypto. I mean, it's up. If you started buying COTI when I first started talking about it, I gave you guys this setup. I mean, it's up over 80% from there. I gave you guys this setup. I mean, it's up like 250% from right there. Like, I hook you guys up with the best setups, and I expect you guys to make a ton of money. Life-changing money. EGLD, here it is. The next big gainer. EGLD, BTC. Remember, BTC pairs don't get hit very bad when Bitcoin pulls back. So what you want to do is buy the breakout of this level, okay? Targets are over here. Now look, EGLD has had 135% run up, which I gave you guys this setup right here, buy the breakout. Remember this cup and handle? 135% gains, and then it pulled back, right? Huge pullback. Now, inverse head and shoulders. Tons of upside here for EGLD. One broke out with volume, and so potentially here's a target over here. Some upside for one BTC. Inverse head and shoulders has been confirmed because of this breakout. Let's go. Ethereum. So essentially, I just want to kind of give you my perspective on Ethereum with what Bitcoin's doing. So you want Ethereum. Here's a bullish idea, right? If we could make it happen the way we want it to, we want Ethereum to pull back here, right? Yeah, we want it to pull back just to here though, because we want this next low to be higher than this low. And then that would give us shoulder, head, shoulder, reversal. Boom. You get any further downside, you get a chance to buy $1,000 or $1,100 Ethereum. Hope you're loading it up. I'm telling you guys, like Bitcoin's going to take off to $70,000. We're going to look back at this, and it's going to be a YouTube video. I'm going to say, guess how many people saw this? Guess how many people saw this? Buy these dips. Buy the dips that scare you. This is Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance barely hanging on to this support level. I've never wanted to cheerlead so bad for something to just break lower. Because when this happens, altcoin season. SPF 90 sunblock, melt your faces off, altcoin season happens when this thing dumps. It's that simple, right? So look, this is Bitcoin season, Bitcoin pumping. Now, Bitcoin's essentially consolidating. It's time for some of these altcoins to start outperforming Bitcoin. It's time for all these altcoins to, because Bitcoin's going to be choppy and I expect a ton of volatility. It's time for altcoins to start outperforming Bitcoin. These BTC pairs, right? That's what I'm talking about. Netflix might be the next Fortune 100 firm to buy Bitcoin. Let's go. They're going to add Bitcoin to their balance sheets. The sky is the limit. Like I used to think these crazy valuations in the 2, 3, 4, 500,000 Bitcoin was crazy. And now it just makes sense. I mean, it's going to take some time. It's not going to happen. Might not even happen on this bull cycle. Might be the next one. But everybody's changing their stance on Bitcoin right now as we speak. Bull run ready. Let's go. Dallas Mavericks accepting Dogecoin. When's the next Dogecoin pump? I do have a good Dogecoin setup, Doge BTC. It just hasn't taken off yet. And that's okay. It's in reaccumulation. Aave CEO says yield farming craze is coming to an end. Basically just kind of downing the idea that all this yield farming nonsense and the trading these S coins is just a bunch of garbage. He says, DeFi is a beautiful thing, but there's aspects to it in crypto that are just a bunch of nonsense, but people are buying these S coins anyway because you can profit off of them, right? The hot coins right now, the hot idea, NFTs, guys, it's like every YouTuber that have been watching that just started talking about Bitcoin. Now they're talking about all these NFTs that they're buying for profit. NFTs are super hot. These NFTs were pumping crazy yesterday. Mana, CHZ, Sand started making moves. Engine, which we nailed that setup for about 100% profits. NFTs. Okay, I think there's a bubble here, but it's crypto. It's not a bubble, right? So NFTs have been super hot. So let me give you an NFT setup that previously broke out. So I posted this Sand setup in the trading group. And this was on January the 5th. Okay, so let's envision this in 60 days. 60 days. Let's just look what Sand did. Sand down here is at 4 cents. At 4 cents, 4.5 cents, we'll say. Buy the breakout of this level, right? Very similar pullback to where we're at now. Now, Sand now is at 35 cents. What is that? 8x? 8x. Look, we bought Sand right here. 8x. 800% gains. Let's go. Now, here's a recent setup. Just broke out. Gave us some pretty good profits. Now it pulled back. Well, guess what? This just creates a very solid buying opportunity. If this support holds, you're watching for a retest or a bounce off this level. Okay, but the support has to hold, and then you're looking for upside continuation. NFTs, they're so hot right now. Like everybody's just buying them up. So keep an eye on this idea for sand. I mean, you could see 63-cent sand if you get this confirmed retest. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.